Hello everyone and welcome back to my vlog. So this morning we woke up because it was Cookie's first day of secondary school. Can't believe kitto fast they gele years geli, and she completed her primary school and now she's going to secondary. So I started preparing for her breakfast. Breakfast like dilo and the tiffin korpa start kele lunch. I mean, they call lunch here for tiffin at school. Magite kaye ham sandwich kelli, and then she was all excited, because secondary she was looking forward. In secondary, till 7 year, they go to a different school, a primary school till 6th standard asatengele. And magiti new school anite. So for tiffin, we bought a new tiffin for her. Magir and say like sandwich dilly, some grapes on my side. She also bought one new lunch box bag, but the lunch bag and tiffin actually order kelle dege unko nalle. So I put her water bottle, and I always make sure on the first day of her new academic year, I put a small note for her, and here's the note. I write to let make her remind that how special she is. She's very important to us, and may whatever come, she is the strongest being. So she feels very happy. So then I made one quick tea for me, and it's easy. It's a TV ko bosu indurle breakfast kotale. So I made food for her. And these days they get sarke favorite songs are natsre. And then we completed our breakfast. Then here we are going to reach Cookie. So she was very excited. I was emotional, and Zizi baby was fast asleep. And I'm getting Bogli ko school, not even 10 minutes drive. But I'm beginning by because traffic been so Rokrim Paoli, since it was just her class that was starting, her class 7 only was starting, the standard starts at and here we met her friend. There were lots of parents who came, and the teachers were already out to welcome them. But a drizzling zatale, like Pau and Gare, and then I started preparing for lunch. Also, pasta ke left to take for work, tiffin angalpa. And then I also made food lunch for us. Tek bisne pasta kelne like kaya sona makai beja reta lo, and it's a bisne hornmal and tomato, and I added some herbs, and it's a zizige john lunch. Again, se bosendul thing. Sometimes she sits and eki party bos na bejar zatan rota. So then I made some fish. It's a very fish naming going on. I don't know what it is called, chonok I think. Curry fish bin keli, and then it was soon time to bring Cookie back from school. Geli dege school lak, and Zizi was all excited, and it's and she spent her day well. Thanks for watching. Moga soon.